Hello and welcome back to my channel AM Draws, and this video will be a tutorial of how to draw realistic hair with colored pencils. So here I have drawn the outline of hair first in the direction and shape of how the hairs would be. Now what I'll be doing is I will shade the areas which are darker in a reference photo so that it will give us an idea about where are the shadows of the hairs. And once we know where are the shadows of the hairs and highlights of the hairs, then it will be much easier to draw, because in that case we will be knowing that where we have to do the dark areas and where we have to lay space and then lighten it up for the highlights. Now, one of the most common mistakes which people do is they treat every single hair separately, and when you do that, you will not be able to get the result which you want, and it will not look realistic no matter how much effort you put in. So, in that case, what you have to do is you have to treat a group of hairs as one. So in the area of here which you can see is that I have started the bottom part with black and then the upper part with black, and left the area in the middle because there were highlights and the upper and lower parts were darker than the middle part. Then I desaturate the area by going in with white color. And white color is also good when you have to blend out the area, and then after desaturating the area you can go with black in the upper and lower part and make it darker again, and then for the middle part you can give those highlights by going it with white again. So then you can observe your reference image and go in the direction in which the hairs are. In that way, it will look more realistic. And once you go in that wavy direction, it gives a more realistic effect overall. So for drawing hair, it comes down to three things: your observation, your shadows and highlights in your image, and then not treating every single hair separately. Last thing you need to do in each and every drawing you do is that you don't need to hurry. Okay, you need to take your time and you need to put your effort in your drawing, and then only it will come out as you expected it to be. So if you like the video and it helped you learn, so please do comment down, like and share this video and subscribe the channel.